and make some crepes. This is what we need. 2 cups of milk, 1 1/4 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of butter. Did you know there's a measurement on the side of the butter? 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of brown sugar, a pinch of cinnamon powder, and finally 2 eggs. Before you start, make sure you wash your hands. And also, second thing, make sure you always ask an adult to help you. We're going to melt the butter in the microwave for 30 seconds. Let's get to it. Be careful, it might be hot. I'm not going to do it, my dad is. Always ask an adult to do it for you. The batter doesn't have to be too thin or too thick. If you need more flour, you can add more. By the way, it smells delicious. For cooking the crepes, please let the adult do it. This is the way you do it with a frying pan. And also, we used a little bit of butter. If you have one of these, it's way faster and way funner. We got 13 crepes out of this recipe. Now let's eat it.
Alright, you can have butter and sugar, or you can have with Nutella, or Nutella mixed with banana, Nutella mixed with berries, Nutella mixed with whipped cream, or all kind of mix. Or you can have ham and cheese. So which one you gonna have? Which one you gonna make?
Butter and sugar.
Alright, make.